From the desk of Wonderful God Mandate, I would like to talk about how to handle issues and conflict in relationship or courtship. Number one party need to behave maturely. If you have discovered that your colleague, your partner is actually behaving immaturely, it is expected of you to behave maturely. So when the person is angry, you calm down. So you behave maturely by not, you know, repeating words or not giving back words to the person you're having issue with. Number two is you need to understand your partner. That you need to understand the person's weaknesses. You need to understand the person's strengths, and most importantly, too, you need to have tolerance. You need to tolerate each other. When you understand the person, it's going to be easy for you to tolerate the person. You understand that this person is how he or she behaves. In situation like that, you be able to tolerate the person. So you tolerating the person is having the full understanding of who the person is, what he is capable or what she is capable of doing, and how you behave even when you discover he or she is exhibiting that particular character. And another important thing you need to do in handling issues and conflict in relationship and courtship is you need to be patient with each other. If we're not patient with each other, we will not be able to live together. And lastly, I want to talk about forgiving one another. Friends, colleagues, partners need to forgive one another. It is when you forgive, you'll be able to still relate more. You'll be able to, still being friends. So, but because if you have the mindset that somebody will not offend you, you are deceiving yourself. Somebody will offend you, but learn to forgive. You forgive always. You forgive always. You learn to forgive somebody. That is when you'll be able to live together in peace and in harmony. So when we put these things together, number one, you have to be mature. You play maturity. You need to understand, and then you need to tolerate, and lastly you need to forgive one another. That is when we can still live together forever. That is when we can still cohabit. That is when our friendship can still continue to exist. So these are the four major things we need to do so that we'll be able to handle issues and conflicts in our relationship and in our courtship.